if I were a research organisation and an administrator in that organisation, when I come to my homepage, I'll see a little tile here that describes my admin and permissions, which enables me to go in and see who's got which permissions. And anyone in the research organisation as an admin can go in and see this information. We're not just hiding it to any one individual. And what you'll see here is essentially a bunch of permissions at the top, and then I can see who has that permission or who does not have that permission. So the admin permission is essentially the lead RO admins. So they have the rights to go and give people permissions or take away permissions. And they can have as many admins as they want that have that lead role. So I am logged in as standard tester here. So I can come and look at my own permissions. So I've got the descriptors here. So edit applications and submit, they're fairly self-explanatory. So edit applications means that I can go in and help applicants and edit live time with them. Being able to submit to UKRI means that it's that final button that the ROs press that say that they're happy with the content and they can come to us at UKRI. And then we've got a separation into the award space. So being able to accept offers or reject offers and return them for changes. And then managing the awards, such as starting those awards and submitting the expenditure statements for them. And then we've got two others around change requests. So we've got a view permission and a create change request permission. And then the kind of the master admin permission. So you see down here, I've got a button that I can use to change permissions. That's because I've got this admin permission. If I did not have that permission, I wouldn't be able to go ahead and change. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to demo a quick change. So say I've got Jessica here. She's only got read-only view. I want to go ahead, say she might be in my pre-award team. So I'm going to go ahead and give her the permissions that to do with applications only. So I'm going to make that change. I've got a success banner telling me that's happened. And what happens in the background is Jessica will be receiving an email that says, oh, your permissions have been updated. Come and view them here. And she'll be directed into her homepage and she'll be able to see exactly the same as we can here, except she won't have the button to change those permissions. So that's a very quick tour of the RO permissions.